Hey y'all, my name's Chef Jean-Paul Bourgeois and welcome to Field to Flame. I'm with my friends from Masterbuilt in Kingsford and I got some easy grilling and smoking recipes to show y'all. Let's get cooking. In this recipe, I'm cooking up a cheesy venison sausage roll-up with a bourbon honey mustard dip, cooked on my Gravity Series 1050 and Kingsford Hickory Charcoal. I got my temperature set to 400 degrees. Now I gotta grill my sausage till it's fully cooked. While the sausage grills for the next 8 to 10 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and chop these jalapenos for my roll-up. The sausage is done, but it's gotta rest. So while it does that, I'm gonna make my bourbon honey mustard dip right on the grill. One first step I like to do is to caramelize my honey in the pot before adding all the rest of my ingredients. Now that the sausage is rested, it's time to assemble the roll-ups. Lastly, with a pastry brush, apply a little softened butter across the whole tortilla. Now that the roll-ups are assembled, it's time to put them on the grill. All right, roll-ups look done to me. Now that the roll-ups have cooled for a few minutes, let me show you how I like to serve them. Y'all, these look great. I gotta get a bite. Dip looks good. Crispy, spicy, gooey from the cheese, but it's really that Kingsford Hickory Charcoal. It gives this dish a whole nother flavor. Delicious, man. Thanks for watching, y'all. You can find this recipe and other Field to Flame dishes right here. Grab your Gravity Series grill, your Kingsford Charcoal, and I'll see y'all next time.